Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start off this video with a public service announcement. It's fall, late fall. I'm picking up swarm traps, and I stopped to pick one up this road here. It had bees in it, and stopped to check on this one right here and pick it up. Well, I was greeted by a European Hornet sticking its head out the entrance. So I decided in my infinite wisdom, was going to come back to the truck, get my phone, go back over there with the flashlight, and shoot a video of him or her, whichever one it is, sitting in the entrance to the hive. Well, by the time I got back over there was about 15 of them out on the front waiting on me. So needless to say, I did not shoot a video. I do not know if I can get a good close-up with this. We're going to try to zoom in. So guys, always be careful when you're picking up your swarm traps. That happens to be quite a big nest to have that many coming and going and that many hanging out guarding it. Hope you just heard that one. It just went right by the camera, right by my head. But anyway, that's your public service announcement when picking up your swarm traps for you novice or experienced people that haven't run into this yet. Always pay attention to your swarm traps. I always plug the entrance before I take them down. I'll walk over, put a plug in the entrance. Hello, I just got bumped in the head. That wasn't fun. Probably because he was leaving, but I'm not going to take no more chances. Well, where is the box? There it is. Anyway, public service announcement over. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Be careful out there, guys. It was a great swarm season. That's not what I wanted to catch, though.